It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've got the programmable memory seat, the child lock button, and an auto express window. Here we have the power liftgate button, and this Terrain comes with the premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and up above, the power moonroof. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got our audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the programmable garage door opener, the power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the current time, and doubles as our backup camera. This Terrain comes equipped with navigation. It's also got the push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plug-ins, heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the Terrain, we've got fog lights, 19-inch wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. We've got roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, we've got the rear window wiper and washer. We also have the power lift gate, so we can pop that open with the push of a button. In the back, we've got the levers to fold that second row seating down. We've also got a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment located down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got a couple of seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got 2 USB plug-ins and a 120-volt power plug-in. The center seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we can fold these rear seats down with ease by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.